So say, okay,
But
say,
you could play on
look,
this.
say,
Could you play on
yes. So say this is yours and you did this, okay?
Okay.
Well, then it's my turn next.
Yes.
I did this.
So we're playing on him.
We don't have to. Well, if you want to be nice, you don't have to.
How
You
is
can
that
leave.
nice?
You can leave him stuck there the whole game. I mean, really.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. You can leave him stuck there the whole game.
Is that right?
That's right. Start right there, and then you can make your train track go any way it wants to go.
And I
If
only
you have
play
doubles,
one
if you have doubles,
time.
yes. Unless you have doubles. If you have a double of anything, say you have like a
I
double. Okay, well then never mind. When you get doubles, we'll explain that to you.
Y'all are gonna see the dumb side of me.
Well, fine. You're not gonna. Okay, what am